Sige. So, tignan natin ha. As I've said, yung first row, okay? So, for the purpose of this activity sample. Okay, so yung digit extraction, you need to extract from left, ibig sabihin ito, and then third and second digit. So, ibig sabihin, in this case, that will be 00. Okay? So, may tapos yung folding, sabi niya is 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 5. Ibig sabihin 100 plus 34. So the answer will be, tama ba? 34. Okay, tama? Yan. So yung excess high order digit, itatrancate natin yun. Now, we now have base 9 to base 10 conversion. So we assume that the following value, itong nasa key value natin, ay base 9 and we will convert that into base 10. So the answer here should be 92. Okay? So sabi ko sa inyo, do not make a shortcut. Akala no iba, ang kukunin lang yung last two. You have to also get the high order kasi may effect siya sa resulta ng final value. Okay? So that will be 92. And finally, you have the mid square. Ang idea is from left, we get the second and the third digits, tapos i-square natin. So 0, 0 will become 0 pa rin. Okay? So that is the value. What you need to do, so as I've said, fill out the table. Okay? So compute for the values, but do not refer yet sa actual result. No? So this is actually the result. Yan. Okay? So, gamitin nyo lang to just to verify kung tama yung computation. Now, question. Pinag-usapan natin last time na may mga cases na merong mga key value that will be hashed to the same location. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, merong dalawang key value na na-hash sa parehas na lokasyon. So, can you identify alin dito? For example, in the prime number remainder division, do we have a collision? At anong value yung nag-collide? Okay. So, meron tayong collision in this part. So, let me just annotate. Okay. So, ito, no? So, we have 44. Okay. This one. How about on this side? Digit extraction. So, you have 0. Okay. So, 1 and 2. Folding. How about sa folding? Wala. Radix conversion. None din. And how about mid-square? Okay, so sa mid-square, meron tayong isa, dalawa, tatlo. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kung meron kayong dalawang key value that is hashed to the same location, meron tayong collision. Now, ang tawag natin dun sa value nakaparehas, okay? Nakaparehas ng location ay synonym. So, question, in this case, how many synonyms do we have in the prime number remainder division? Ilan ang synonym natin? Isa. Okay? So, take note although dalawa yan, isa lang ang synonym dyan kasi the other one will be the original. In the digit extraction, you have also one. And in the mid square, meron tayong dalawa. Okay? Okay. So, ito yung actual result niya sa clear drawing. Yan. Okay. So, this will be so yung mga naka-highlight ng red, these are the collided, no? O yung mga collisions natin, and then they are the synonyms. Okay. Okay. Sagutin ko lang, may tanong dito. How come po pala na 93 dinivide yung number sa prime number division? Okay. Although ang highest, no, 'di ba sinabi ko last time, ang highest prime number dapat na gagamitin, which is 97. Okay? But in this case, I made it into 93. That is my decision. Kasi nga, yung yung exercise sa IM ay 97 ang gamit. Okay? So para maiba naman yung sequence. Yun lang ang purpose niya. Okay? But then, ano yung selection? Okay? Ano yung basis bakit ka pipili ng prime number? Yung prime number supposed to be arbitrary yan. Ibig sabihin, ikaw mismo as the developer will be deciding for this. But you have to take note, remember, 1 to 100 or 0 to 99. Pag pinili mo 93, ibig sabihin, 99 minus 93, okay? O ilan yun? Mga 6, okay? So may probability na meron kang 6 or 7 values na magbabanggaan. Kasi kulang ka ng 7, 6 or 7 na position. Okay? Including the 93. Okay? So yun ang idea. If you select a smaller prime number, it will limit the allowable number of location. So, as I've said, in this case, sabi natin 100 location. Pero ang pinili mong divisor, 93. So, most likely, merong mga values na magbabanggaan. Okay? Now, so 99 po lagi iso-subtract. Not necessarily, supposed to be 100. No? Pero take note, ang element natin ay 0 to 99. No? Kasi we don't use, we start our first index at 0. Okay? So, diba yung n, sabi natin last time, n minus 1. Okay? Again, the decision of the selection ng prime number, remainder division, or yung pagpili ng prime number is arbitrary. It depends on the developer. But you have to take note that choosing a lesser value will actually affect the performance of your storage kasi kumukonti yung dami ng allowable values na po pwede mong ilagay. Okay? So maraming magbabanggaan. Okay? So that's the reason why we choose the higher value, higher remainder